Ladies and gentlemen, if I can have your attention for just one moment. We have about 24 people going to Atlanta on this flight and a couple people going to Houston. If you guys can do me a favor, if you're staying here in Fort Lauderdale, if you could just remain seated and allow those passengers to get off the plane first. They have a very tight connection going to Atlanta and Houston, and we want to make sure everybody gets home to their families. So if you could do me a favor, when we get to Fort Lauderdale and we stop at the gate and they open the door, if you are staying in Fort Lauderdale, just remain seated and allow those passengers going to Atlanta and Houston for them to get off the plane first. We would really appreciate it. Thank you.
Damas y caballeros, le vamos a pedirle un favor. Tenemos 24 pasajeros que van para Atlanta y 4 que van para Houston. La conexión de ellos es bien estrecha, así que le vamos a pedir que permanezcan sentados cuando lleguemos al terminal. Permiten que estos pasajeros desembarquen primero para que ellos puedan tomar su conexión. Sé que hay otras conexiones, pero los otros tienen bastante tiempo. Todavía tienen bastante tiempo para tomar su conexión. Solamente Atlanta y Houston, que son 28 pasajeros. Se lo agradecemos.
Let's be seated. be the first to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is 9:11 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as items do tend to shift during flight. You may now use your cellular devices if they are within reach. For those of you who are continuing on to another Spirit Airlines destination, please check the monitors in the terminal or ask the Spirit Airlines gate agent for your flight and gate number information. For those of you needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, we do ask you to remain seated, as wheelchairs will be available towards the end of the planning process, and this will allow us to better assist you. We invite you to visit our website at spirit.com, where you can check in online, enter comments about your flight experience, and get great low fares on future flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. On behalf of this Fort Lauderdale-based crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We hope you have a pleasant night here in the Fort Lauderdale area, or wherever your final destination may take you. And if this is home, welcome home. Also, we would like to wish our special mothers a happy Mother's Day this weekend. We do appreciate everything you do. And again, for those of you going to Atlanta and Houston, if everyone can just remain seated for those passengers, for them to exit the aircraft first, so they're able to make their connecting flight. Thank you so much. Have a great night.
Damas y caballeros, bienvenidos a Fort Lauderdale, donde la hora local son las 9:15. Permanezcan sentados, porque todavía no hemos llegado al terminal. Y si el capitán pone los frenos fuertes suficientes, se va a lastimar. Para aquellos que necesiten una silla de ruedas, le vamos a pedir que permanezcan sentados hasta que la mayoría de los pasajeros hayan desembarcado. Así podemos asistirle mejor. Tenga cuidado cuando abra los compartimientos superiores, artículos tienden a moverse. Y de nuevo, si no va para Atlanta o Houston, se va a quedar sentadito, que nos vemos más bonitos cuando lo ofrecemos la cortesía puertorriqueña. Así que vamos a permitir que ellos desembarquen primero y luego nosotros. De parte de nosotros aquí en Fort Lauderdale, Spirit, le queremos desear un feliz Día de Madre a todos. Siempre es un placer servirle. Que tengan una bella noche.